Intimacy isn't just about physical touch, it's about creating a bond that goes deeper than words. It's about mastering emotional and mental connection to unlock something truly powerful. Are you ready to understand intimacy in a way that transforms your relationships? Stick around, because today on the Stoic route, we're diving deep into the art of connection and uncovering truths that most people overlook. When you think of intimacy, what comes to mind? For many, it's about physical closeness, but the truth is, intimacy begins long before you ever touch someone. It's about what you build together: trust, respect, and emotional understanding. Real intimacy isn't a checklist of actions, it's an art, a form of mastery that combines presence, patience, and purpose. In this video, we'll explore the hidden aspects of connection, the kind most people never reach because they're stuck on the surface. You'll learn how to go beyond the obvious, uncovering ways to deepen your bond and create something truly unforgettable. The power of touch beyond the physical. Touch is more than just a physical act, it's a way of communicating. The way you touch someone can reveal trust, respect, and even control over the connection you share. But here's the thing, it's not about dominating the moment, it's about mastering the subtle art of creating a safe and meaningful space for intimacy. Most people focus on the obvious when it comes to touch, the usual spots everyone knows about. But what about the places she secretly craves, the ones that go unnoticed? A soft touch at the small of her back, a gentle graze along her neck, or even a light press on her wrist can create sensations far more powerful than you might think. These moments show presence and intention, sending a clear message that you're fully tuned in to her needs. The magic of eye contact. If you think intimacy is all about touch, you're missing one of the most powerful tools: eye contact. Those fleeting moments when your eyes meet and the world seems to fade away, that's where real connection begins. Eye contact is more than just looking at someone, it's about being fully present. When you hold her gaze with purpose, it sends a signal that you see her, value her, and are completely in the moment. This kind of connection goes beyond words and creates a foundation of trust and understanding. Science backs this up. Eye contact triggers the release of oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. It's the same chemical that strengthens emotional connections and builds trust. So next time, instead of rushing through an interaction, slow down and let your eyes do the talking. Show her that she matters and that you're truly present. Exploring the unexpected. True intimacy lies in the details, the little things most people overlook. While everyone knows about the obvious physical gestures, it's the subtle touches that often make the biggest impact. For example, running your fingers through her hair, lightly tracing the back of her neck, or softly grazing her shoulders can create a connection that's both physical and emotional. These less obvious areas are incredibly sensitive and can spark reactions that go beyond the surface. But it's not just about where you touch, it's about how you touch. A light, deliberate touch can speak volumes, showing her that you're fully attuned to her emotions. This isn't about going through the motions, it's about making every moment meaningful. Words that build connection. Your voice is another powerful tool for creating intimacy. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. A soft, intentional whisper can be more impactful than any grand gesture. Speak with authenticity and purpose, choosing words that reflect genuine care and admiration. Compliments are great, but they're even better when they're personal. Instead of saying, "You look amazing," try, "I love the way your smile lights up the room." Make it specific and heartfelt. And don't underestimate the power of anticipation. A playful tease or a subtle hint about what's to come can create excitement and deepen the connection. The Stoic approach to intimacy. Stoicism teaches us the importance of being present and in control of our emotions. This philosophy applies perfectly to intimacy. Instead of focusing on what you can't control, focus on what you can: your actions, your words, and your presence. When you're with someone, let go of distractions and be fully in the moment. Every touch, every glance, and every word should be intentional. This kind of presence not only strengthens your bond, but also shows her that you value the connection you're building together. Unlocking emotional and mental connection. The truth is, physical touch is just one piece of the puzzle. The real magic happens when you connect with her mind and emotions. Before you focus on physical intimacy, take the time to understand her on a deeper level. What does she dream about? What are her fears and desires? Creating a safe space for open conversation can unlock a level of intimacy that goes far beyond the physical. When you engage her mind, you're not just creating a moment, you're building a lasting connection. Use your words to paint vivid pictures, to spark her imagination, and to make her feel truly seen and understood. This isn't about manipulation, it's about genuine connection. Bringing it all together. Intimacy is about more than just physical closeness. It's about creating a bond built on trust, respect, and emotional understanding. By being present, paying attention to the little things, and engaging her mind and emotions, you'll unlock a connection that's both powerful and unforgettable. Remember, the Stoic approach teaches us to act with purpose and to focus on what truly matters. In relationships, that means showing up fully, being intentional, and valuing the connection you share. When you do this, you're not just creating pleasure, you're building a partnership that goes deeper than words. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Stoic Route for more insights on mastering your mindset and building deeper, more meaningful connections. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what's one thing you've learned about building a deeper connection? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.